What's going on, everybody? It's CutsbyCoast here, bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a freestyle design. So I started this off by taking a 3-guard, just cutting down the sides, and as you can tell, he brought me some bed heads, so a 3-guard is safe to flick into all that hair. Next, I went ahead and took my 1.5 guard all the way up the side to where I just created with the 3. Really, this is what I wanted to start with on the sides, but to approach this haircut, I wanted to make sure that the weight was set up first. Now we are setting in our bald line, and we will go ahead and bald him out with the trimmer. Whenever you bald him out, he doesn't necessarily need the shaver. It looks shaver bald already. Now we're going to grab our gamma ergos and we're going to go up about 1 inch high, setting in our open section. After we've done this, we're going to take the lever halfway open and we're going to bump it all the way up to that line but not going through it. And then lastly, we'll take the lever closed and just flick out the bottom right where we set in that bald line. And if we need to, grab your trimmer and flick that out as well. Next, you're going to grab the 1 guard open and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to start open, work the lever halfway closed, and then instead of doing the 1 all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and grab the half guard halfway open, and that's going to be the perfect in between to connect these 2 sections. And the last thing I need to do on this side is take the half guard and close it up all the way and finish out this section. Alright, back at it again with the 3 guard, and we're just making sure that we're flicking loosely and out into the weight instead of digging into the weight. Next, you want to go ahead and connect your bald line and make sure that it's going to match on the other side. So we'll stretch this out all the way across and then we'll come in and bald him out. And now with the lever open, we can set in our next section, and we are still going to go about 1 inch high, maybe a little bit more than 1 inch, because we're making sure that we're going to stretch this section in the back. We all know that the back is a little bit more difficult, just being that there are some indentions in the back of people's heads more commonly than on the side, and the hair just seems to appear a little bit more dense. And now we're going to do the same steps with the 1 guard all the way open again. And look at the back of his hair. It looks crazy, guys. I told him it's hard to get your clients to not bring you bed heads. Sometimes they just don't even think about it. Just make sure that you stress to your clients the importance of not wearing hats and coming in with bed head, because that definitely makes our job a lot harder. You can see this half guard is helping us stretch out this fade, and next we can go in with a 2 guard and a 3 guard and set up the rest of the weight. If you guys have made it this far, please leave me a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. If you guys really like this video, turn on that notification bell. Here we are with the 1.5 guard and the 1 guard all the way open, making sure that we connect the fade into the blend. Alright guys, we're going to keep everything uniform and start with the 3 guard to set up to our weight. Then we will take a 1.5 guard all the way closed and we'll clean up the sides. Alright guys, we're going straight into the design, and this is exactly how I build this design. He brought me this picture. I chose to double outline it myself because he showed me 2 different ones. One was this design and one was something else double outline that I really didn't like. I think this one fits his head a little bit more. I'm not going to talk a whole lot on the design. I just want to say that we are always going to do a rough draft on the design, and then after that we will come back in and bold out the lines. Alright, so that was the base of our design, and now we're just gonna double outline this, and then the rest of the design will make the rest of the haircut come all the way together. Alright guys, this is the finished product. We have a short crop, it's kind of spiky on top with a freestyle design. I added in that extra little swirl at the end. My camera battery did die, but I made sure to get the finished product. If you guys like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. It's CutsbyCoast, and I'm out of here.